Welcome back. In the previous lesson, you learned how to write a statement of proportionality when we're given diagrams. This time, we're given words. And what we're going to do is copy down the first triangle name. If you prefer a horizontal method, you can copy down like this, just like what you see in the problem itself. I'm going to copy them down vertically, and I'm going to do this. Now, I'm going to write for all pairs of congruent angles. Now, all I need to do is I'm going to pick one letter at a time. So the first one I pick J, Jack, and next one P, Peter. So we have angle J is congruent to angle P. And next one I'm gonna pick K and Q, and I have angle K is congruent to angle Q. Next one I pick L and R, angle L congruent to angle R. Does this remind you of something you saw before? You might want to say, oh, maybe you're thinking, yeah, that looks like what I did for a congruent triangle. That's right. That's what we did before, except here, the next one, we're not going to write for the congruent corresponding sides. We're going to write the ratios of the corresponding sides. Since it's a triangle, we know we're going to have 3 ratios. They're going to be equal. Okay? All right. So this time, I'm going to pick 2 letters. The first one, I'm going to pick JK and PQ. So let's write down JK and PQ. JK to PQ is 2. Pick next one. That's right, KLQR. Remember, you can go this way, you can go this way. You pick your method, okay? I'm gonna go this way. So top, go to the blue one, blue triangle, you go to from the right to left. Make sure the yellow one, you also go left to right. Being consistent is very important. The order does matter. So I pick LJ, and I'm gonna write RP.